Hi viewers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to shade rows or column in tables using Microsoft Word. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So what you're supposed to do, take the cursor to the area that you want to shade. Like this one, you can see the color, it is green. Even this one is green, so even this one and this one. So if you want to shade, I want to shade this one, the break time. So first of all, select the area that you want to shade, and then you click here, not you click on this shading button. You click here, and then you select the color. If it's red, you just choose there, gray, green, like mine I want it to be green, so you click you choose the color like that, and you'll be done. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.